first light of dawn kisses the horizon on this auspicious morning of Magh Bihu. We gather around our Meji, the vibrant bonfire that is the beating heart of Bhogali Bihu. This age-old Assamese tradition dates back centuries, rooted in the agrarian joys of the harvest season, where communities light these sacred flames to honor the gods of fire and bounty, thanking them for a plentiful yield and warding off evil spirits. We light the Meji today to celebrate the end of the harvest, its crackling flames symbolizing the warmth of community, gratitude, and the cycle of life in the lush fields of Assam, typically towering 10 to 15 feet high in rural celebrations. Our humble Meji stands just 2 feet tall. We've crafted it this way to let our young children safely feel the tradition's essence, the thrill of the fire, the stories it tells within the gentle constraints of city life. In a beautiful ritual of respect and love, my wife touches my feet, honoring the bonds that hold us. Then we guide our 2 little sons to touch ours, their tiny hands learning the grace of tradition for the first time. They do so with wide-eyed wonder, sealing our family's circle of blessings. May this Meji's light usher in a year of health, prosperity, and endless joy for us all. So this is Mantim Bora and family, wishing you a very happy Magh Bihu.
Portable Meji. Portable মানে কি? দাঁড়িয়ে লই যাব বলা।
দিদি এটা যে তুই উঠালা এনেকে আবারও উঠাইছি
মানে কি
এইতে আচ্ছা
একবার মাছলে দিবি
আচ্ছা আবার সেগুলা সিটাই দিন পানি সিটাই দিন মানে দিলে হবে না ডালি নিচে বসতে হয় একটু দিয়ে নুমিব মানে দিদি আমি দেব
Thank you.